Hey everybody, it's Mac Thompson with Tech Running 24/7, and today we want to do a quick video of an unboxing and demo of the Leap Motion controller. That's of the Leap Motion controller. Now the Leap Motion controller allows you to do different things with software with hand gestures. So it seemed to be something pretty interesting and thought I'd do a review on it. And so this is what the box looks like itself. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. So with first glance, the presentation of the box looks pretty interesting. And you take the top off, the first thing we see is a card inside that says "Welcome to a whole new world," and it tells you how to activate your controller by going to leapmotion.com/setup to get the software put on your computer. Now I've already taken the time to put the computer on prior to the video, and so we'll boot that up in just a second. And now we'll see the controller itself. Now this is made of aluminum and is fairly small. It just has a port for your USB cord, and to show you how small it is, we'll set it down on that pad there, and if we zoom in on it, you can get a real good idea how small it is. And so even though it's small, I'm sure it does pretty good. Anyway, looking on into the box itself, we have more items. Looks like USB 2.0 cords. That must be, let's see. Yep, that's a shorter one, and a longer one. Set that to the side. And last thing in the box, we have the important information guide. So you definitely want to look over the information guide as you're setting up your new controller. So we're going to set that to the side. Then we're going to take the controller itself and pull the sticker off of it. Set the controller here and go ahead and plug it up. I want to add that the this controller, you can use this with a Windows machine, and you can use it with a Mac. And so it allows everybody a chance to be able to use this new technology. Now you can also find the Leap Motion controller on Amazon, of course, and you can pick it up at your local Best Buy store, and I believe you can also get it at Walmart. Now plugging it up into the port there, you'll see that light comes on. That's the green LED light, which lets you know that it is hooked up and it's ready to go. So we're going to go and launch the software, and we wanted to add too that the price of this product is only $69. And speaking of Leap Motion, like any new product these days, it has its own app store. It's called App Home, and I've gone ahead and loaded a few things from the App Store so we can kind of demo the product to see how it would work. And of course, what the product does is you put your hand above the controller, above the infrared sensors, and it'll show you the different gestures. I mean, you can do different gestures to work different programs. So there's the software kicking in, and first thing we want to do, the software is telling us to do, is put your hand above the controller, and it's showing my virtual hand. as you can see, which is really kind of cool. So as I move my fingers, it's showing those different movements. Now still let's hit any key to get a demo of one of the programs to try out. Now with this program here, the idea is to pick up one of the 4 different cubes and put it on the robot. So put a head on the robot. So we're gonna put our hand into, I'm gonna slide this controller back some, and we're gonna put my hand across into the infrared beams, and then we're gonna try to pick up a cube and put it on top of the robot. Let's see if we grab this pink cube. There's one. So that robot's good to go. Here's another one that just came in the door. Uh-oh, I knocked him over. Oh, that's funny. Knocked him over and his head automatically connected to the green one. Let's see if we can get this orange cube here. We get up and try to get over here to this robot here. So we got that robot, and the third one's coming in now. Uh-oh, I bumped it over. See if we can get a hold of this blue cube. If we can get the robots out the way. Uh-oh, I knocked the head off one. And then that one attached. So it's something to get used to. It's different in itself. Okay, that's the third one. All right, we got all 4 heads on the robot, as you can see, and they're kind of moving around. And so that gives you an idea of what you can do with the hand, or do with your hand with this Leap Motion controller. Let's try one more thing. We got that exercise done. Let's try something else. On this one, it's going to show you I think that's a flower that comes up. And the exercise is to show you how to, kind of get you used to hand gestures. You want to be able to pluck a petal off the flower. So we're going to put our hand into the controller again. Above the controller, you see a virtual hand. You see my finger, baby finger moving, and the other finger moving. We're going to reach over here, come back and grab a petal. Off the flower, and as you can see, there's a petal. And then we're going to try to not tear up the flower. There's another petal. So that's kind of cool. You see how I wave at you? That's really neat. But anyway, that's our video today. That is the Leap Motion controller. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Please comment and share, and most of all, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.